Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wesa. According to Oromia since May 2nd, 2014 in Ethiopia, the satellite transmission of Oromia Media Network has been jammed inside Ethiopia. And also the Oromia website has been blocked inside Ethiopia. All this are taking place, I think, after the Oromia Media Network has started broadcasting, reporting about the protest that has been taking place inside Oromia against the master plan, and also protests that has been taking place outside Oromia here in North America and Europe. The Ethiopian regime has been jamming the transmission of Oromia Media Network and also blocking the websites of OromiaMedia.org. Now you could watch Oromia Media Network at youtube.com. Yes, go to youtube.com and search for Oromia Media Network. And also you could watch Oromia Media Network at facebook.com. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Wesa. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.